Hi travelers, welcome to my channel. This time we will visit one of the beach tourism objects in East Lombok, namely Tanjung Ringgit Beach. Tanjung Ringgit is a captivating coastal destination located at the southeastern tip of Lombok Island, in Sekaroh Village, Sumbawa District, East Lombok. Approximately 85 kilometers from Mataram, it offers a serene escape with its pristine beaches, dramatic limestone cliffs, and crystal clear waters. The area boasts stunning white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. The dramatic cliffs provide panoramic views of the Indian Ocean to the south and Sumbawa Island to the east. Notably, Tanjung Ringgit is near the famous Pink Beach, renowned for its unique pink-hued sand. Beyond its natural allure, Tanjung Ringgit holds historical importance. During World War II, it served as a Japanese military outpost, with remnants such as bunkers, tunnels, and artillery still visible today. Visitors can engage in various activities, including snorkeling and swimming, trekking along the cliffs for breathtaking views, and camping. Set up camp near the lighthouse to enjoy the sunrise and sunset. Tanjung Ringgit is a hidden gem for travelers seeking a blend of natural beauty, adventure, and history. Here's some views of Tanjung Ringgit. See you for the next trip. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.